If you're approaching 65 and you're going to be eligible for Medicare soon, and you're still working and you have insurance through your work, do you need to sign up for Medicare? So if you are still working, you need to understand how your insurance works with Medicare. This is page 21 from the guide Medicare and You. It's put out by the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services. They update it every year. And we're going to take a look at two scenarios in this chart. First, we'll look at the language in yellow, and I'm going to look down because I'm going to read it to you. It says, if you're 65 or older, have group health coverage based on your or your spouse's current employment, and the employer has 20 or more employees, then you look to the next column and it says, your group health plan pays first. Great, but what does that mean? That means that you get to stay on your group plan like the younger employees, and you will not be penalized for not taking Medicare at that time. You'll have a special enrollment to enroll later, and you don't need Medicare Part A and B. Now, some people do sign up for A because there is no premium if you've earned it premium free, as long as they're not contributing to an HSA plan. Now let's look to the green language. If you're 65 or older, have group health plan coverage based on your or your spouse's current employment, and the employer has fewer than 20 employees, what happens? Look to the next column. It says Medicare pays first. So again, what does that mean? That basically means that you need to sign up for Medicare Part A and B, because otherwise you don't have primary insurance. The job of the group plan in this scenario is only to fill in as a secondary payer. So let me give you an example. Under Medicare Part B, Medicare pays 80% of the bill. Then there's a 20% gap that either you pay or your supplement, or you could have a group plan like in this scenario to cover it. If you don't have Medicare and there's a $1,000 bill, nobody's responsible for that first $800. So you want to make sure you protect yourself and get coverage with Medicare Part A and Medicare Part B.